Okay, hi everyone, my name is TD Radebe and I am 24 years old and welcome to my first official YouTube video. So I am super duper excited because I have been prolonging to shoot this video, and because I was just like, let me first get a camera and then let me get a laptop and then let me learn how to edit and I'm such a perfectionist at times, but you know what, I just told myself one toe sizobona phambili basically. So welcome guys. So what kind of content should you be guys expecting from this channel? Makeup, hair, skincare, and I know before you even try to come for me, sis. So I do have natural hair under these braids, and if you really must, because I know some of you got trust issues, if you really must, you can totally go on my Instagram. It's TD Radebe, and you will see that I have thick natural hair, and I try to believe, well, not I try, I do believe that I have good skin. So if you must, you can also go on my Instagram and you will see that I do believe to have good skin. And I think I'm gonna base this channel specifically on education, and what I mean by that is I want to educate you guys about skincare, using the correct BHAs, using the correct conditioner for your hair type. A lot of people don't know what silicone is. They don't know why that's good or why that's bad for you. So I'm going to be teaching you guys, all of that. First, let us get the basics right so that we can all shine, because I want everyone to shine. I want the best for you, whoever you are. I know you, I want your skin to be flawless and I want your hair to be healthy, but the most important thing, I want you to be able to blend your contour. That's my wish for you. So anyway, I'm gonna commit to, let me see, 2 videos a week. Do you think that's fine? Can we agree to 2 videos a week? I think I can do 2 videos a week. If I'm really in the mood, I will produce 3. So I'm gonna leave all my socials in the description box below, and I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.